Lovely afternoon in Tofino. This is the harbor view we have from our motel, apologies. I don't think they have hotels here, they only have motels. However, I just refreshed and washed my face, but as you can see I'm sunburned. We were under the open sun, like there was full sun and no shadows. Well, we were on the boat for 3 hours, and I didn't put some sunscreen on because it was cold. And never underestimate the sun, even though it's cold. When you see the sun, just make sure you're protected, otherwise your face is going to look like this. Look, especially over here. It's burning, and also here, my nose. Oof, I hope it will be over soon, because I don't like it when it's my face is burning like that. One last look at the view, the balcony, and this is the room. It's a bit of a mess. Two of these chairs, one is with Hama, he's over here. Hi Hama.
Hello.
We have snacks over here. For recess, I'll take one. There's the mirror. It's me. The bathroom. Shower. Toilet, of course. Soap, towels. Yeah, that's the motel. And my face is burning. This life is too difficult for me. I should play it on easy mode, but it's impossible. There's always something new happening. We are at the, what is it called? Laundromat, and we are getting our clothes washed. This is a washer, there is a dryer, and we need some perfume, whatever it is. Which one do we get, Hama?
Let me check.
There are two types. There's the Bounce, as you can see, people. There is the Tide. I'll wait with buying one. Otherwise, I will have an angry Hama, which is not going to be any good. I think the Bounce looks good. I would go for Bounce.
Oh, wait. Huh?
The Bounce, the upper one.
Those are fabric softeners.
Okay, there's softness, and this is?
Detergent. We need one of those.
Okay, you see, I had it wrong again. You need. Oh,
Did you put in your coins?
no, we have to put on B. B2 sounds like good.
No, why? I'm not. B2 is the furthest one.
Okay, which one should we get?
I think B0 has the biggest chance of just falling down after one try.
Okay,
Right?
let us see. I have coins over here. 150. Is there like 50 cents here? This is Canadian money.
No, I don't think so.
Do you have 50 cents? We can take this one and I'll put.
Huh?
A whole excursion.
We can try 2 quarters. Or
Yeah.
otherwise we
2 quarters should
just
work.
put in 2 $1.
I think you can put here. Okay, so this is $1. Should I just put $1 more to see if it gives change? Then B0, right?
Yes.
B0. Okay, let's see if we're going to get change. Ah, I got change, so that's good to know. You're getting change, and then you put it up in here. Okay, be careful. It's like powder. Yeah, blowed on me. Which where do
Wait.
where do you put it?
Put detergent and fabric soap.
I don't need software. Close the door first.
Yeah, but where do you
Wash.
normal wash?
Normal
right?
wash. Yeah, I think it's normal wash.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's so
You have to close the door, by the way.
Yeah, I know. The teachers will go. Okay.
You have to squeeze it, and then where do you put the detergent?
Look.
It says it over here. Ah. Add detergent, add bleach. You sure about that?
Yeah.
Okay, one way to find out. Yeah, it says detergent right there. Close it off. Into the soil.
Okay. Oh. But do you have enough? You put into.
Yeah. Always have enough. One.
So.
Yep. 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's on. As you can see. Not sure how long it's gonna take. Time remaining 20. So it's some
It's a quick wash.
quick wash. Is it a good wash though? Beauty right there. So yeah, now we'll have to wait and see how it will progress. I'll keep you posted. So we finished our laundry and now we are waiting for the dryer to finish. There's 1 more minute left over here. And I hope the clothes will be dry. It's 12 minutes per dollar. You can put quarters in here or $1. This is our clothes getting dry. What do you think about it? You've seen it? And that was another episode of Washing with Mesut and Hammer. We finished the dryer session. Empty. And we're closing the door. It's 4 p.m. and I haven't had food since yesterday 2 p.m. So 26 hours without food. So it's lunchtime. Right?
Lunch, dinner, breakfast.
We are now at shelter in Tofino, and from my research this is the best place to be for lunch and dinner. We haven't had food for 27 hours now, so I'm very hungry, and this is what we got. Chicken burger, truffle parmesan fries, and always a large Coke. This is the view, this is the order view. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. I finished the burger, the parmesan truffle fries, and I can see where the hype is coming from. It actually might be the best chicken burger. It's a contender for the best chicken burger I ever had in my entire life. It's so if you ever visit Tofino, definitely go to Shelter. That is not Shed. Shed is a different place with very rude people. So don't mistake it with a Shed. Shelter is the place that you have to go. And if the burger is this good, then I have faith that the other food is also good. And, hi guys, I'm pretty new to this vlogging, so and I have to get used to vlogging next to people and in a restaurant, so that explains why I was vlogging in a funeral mood. I still have to get used to people around me while I'm using the camera. But the food, the chicken burger, like no cap, one of the best chicken burgers I've ever had in my life. It's like chef's kiss. And it was for the burger with the truffle fries, the dessert, and a pop, which is slang for Coke. I paid around 45 Canadian dollars, which is including tip. But guys, I have to tell you, when in Tofino, go to Shelter. It's the food is amazing. I feel.
Yeah, no, it was beautiful, and I really need to pee, so maybe it's a good time to stop the video. Bye,
You wanna record the peeing? You said.
I'm good.
Oh, okay. Sorry guys, I tried. I'll try later.